If your Flashforge AD5X has stopped extruding filament, just like mine did, chances are you might have a clogged nozzle. But don't worry, changing the nozzle on the AD5X is incredibly easy. It only takes about 30 seconds, and then you can get back to printing. Let me show you how it's done. Now, swapping the nozzle on the AD5X, we simply need to remove the front fan cover, and behind the fan cover, you'll see a silicone sock. As long as your nozzle is cool, we can remove that silicone sock with our bare hands, flip back the heat sink that's attached to the machine. It's on a little swivel, so you don't have to worry about losing it. And then there's a little clip that you pull back, and that releases the tension on the nozzle. Then you can simply pull the nozzle out. It's magnetic. You can put your new nozzle into the machine and follow those steps in reverse. We can close up the little latch that holds the nozzle in place, close our heat sink back up, replace the silicone sock over the nozzle, and put our fan cover back on. And just like that, we have a brand new 0.4mm nozzle in the AD5X. It only took us about 30 seconds to get that whole job done, and we're back to printing. Now, after you're done changing the nozzle, we're gonna wanna go into the settings and over to the calibration tab and make sure you rerun a PID calibration and a bed leveling. That way, in case anything has changed between the old nozzle and the new nozzle, it's updated within your firmware settings. And that's it. It's super easy to get it done. I hope this video was helpful to you, and this is gonna be part of a new series that I'm just gonna call Quick Tips. My goal is to get tips out in 2 minutes or less for the machines that I have in my print farm here. So if you have any questions about the Bambu Lab P1P or P1S, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, 5M Pro, or the AD5X, as well as the brand new P2S from Bambu Lab, be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you need help with. And our AD5X is all back up and running. We've got a new nozzle in there. Our calibrations are all finished, and I've got some filament loaded up.